not too far from the marketplaces, oh, marketplaces of Macau. Oh, Travessa de Lamtagan, ah, Travessa de Lamtagan, yeah, Travessa de Lamtagan, walking Travessa de Lamtagan. Lovely ways of Macau, walking the streets of Macau, loving Macau, going everywhere in Macau. Oh, Travessa de Lamtagan, ah, Travessa de Lamtagan, yeah, Travessa de Lamtagan, walking Travessa de Lamtagan.
Okay, this is a little lane in Macau. It's kind of interesting. It's kind of small. We're going to show you what's around it, and we're going to walk down it and show you what's around on the other end as well. But let's just put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are first. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so this is our target street, and then just down the ways a little bit we have another street that's kind of similar in features. You can see all these types of buildings like that, and we are kind of surrounded by them in this area. And then I did another video recently and I went down that way as well, so it's a little Cal Street. But this particular one we're just going to focus only on our target street. And we'll walk down it slowly, see what's in here exactly. And we'll also see what's in the surrounding area. So, Lam Tak Un. I'm sure I'm mispronouncing that quite badly. So you got all these apartments all the way up, kind of gated. Gates on the windows, that's pretty typical. So usually they'll do laundry, so you can see laundry up there as well. And I believe it's going to end right up here. So it looks like more of a place that you can park your bikes and stuff like that more than anything. So all the bikes are parked up and down this whole street right here. There is an apartment right here, Edificio. And we'll just go out and come up to the base, which I think is going to be Imelda. So it's going to be a part of the marketplace. That's our target street right there. And now we're on a marketplace. Okay. So this is Imelda. We're going to go over and capture this little thing right here. There we go. So that's right at the base of it. It's also in this market area as well. That's our target street right there. So that was our target area. Let me just kind of take one short peek before we leave it. So yeah, we're already kind of in these pedestrian streets already. there. And then we're just gonna walk into the market a little tiny bit. Just to give you some context. There's a pretty big market in this area. So it's gonna be particularly busy on a Sunday. And you can buy clothes like in here and such like that. And there's also vegetables, more clothes over here too. So yeah, I haven't filmed the street in a while. It's called Imelda. But these days I try to document a street and then also a little bit of context to what's around it. So this so our small little alley is basically what it is. And then right next door is tons of shopping. So we just go up to the four corners and then I'll kind of move the camera around a little bit and you can see what it looks like. So yeah, kind of busy today on a Sunday. And just in case you're curious, if somebody wanted to try to find here, it's on Imelda Street. And there we go. More down this way, Imelda Street. Okay. There's also a temple not too far away. It's kind of tempted to go to that way as well. So our street was kind of in those little alleys, and we're just gonna walk over to this space over here. I'm just gonna see what that street is in the yellow over there. Okay. And up here is a street called Lago. Okay. I was kind of curious about that one too. Travessa de Lago. Okay. We're gonna end our street right here. So you kind of got a few minutes of what it kind of looks like. More of the marketplace things too. Okay. So we basically kind of went down that way and then kind of around a little bit. Okay. And we'll end our video. So yeah, now we're right in the heart of all the sales and the market and such like that. Okay, so this is Macau. Hope you like that one as well.